Find the equation of the plane passing through the point and perpendicular passing through the point A is equals to 2i plus 3j minus k and perpendicular to the vector 3i minus 2j minus 2k and the distance of this plane from the origin. Okay, so here what is given here? First write the given data. So given that A vector is given as 2i plus 3j minus k and a perpendicular vector is given. Perpendicular vector I am taking as n 3i minus 2j minus 2k minus 2k. He is asking the vector equation passing through the point A and perpendicular to another vector, and he is also asking the distance from the origin. Distance from the origin. Okay, so now I am taking R be the position vector. Position vector. Okay, so of any point P on the plane. P on the plane. Okay, so then vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of the plane is R minus A dot n is equals to 0. This is the formula here. Okay, so what is the formula we are using here? So once repeat the formula, R minus A dot n is equals to 0. Could you repeat once again? R minus
A into
dot
n is equal to 0.
Yes, R minus A dot n is equals to 0. Okay, once again, R minus A dot n
R minus A dot into n
is
is
equals
equal
to
to 0.
0. Now, R dot n minus A dot n is equals to 0. That means R dot n is equals to A dot n. A dot n. Okay, so A means write the A matrix, that is 2i plus 3j minus k, and the dot means keep the dot, and n means n vector, that is 3i minus 2j minus 2k minus 2j minus 2k. Okay, now I am going to find the dot product. Already we discussed about the dot product. Dot product means it is very simple. Multiply I coefficient with I coefficient, j coefficient with j coefficient, and k coefficient with k coefficient. Okay, so now I am multiplying here. Okay, if we multiply, so what we get here, this is equals to 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, this is equals to 2 3 is 6 minus 3 2 is 6 minus 2 minus plus 1 2 is 2. Okay, plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled. We are getting 2 here. We get 2 here. So that means R dot n is equals to 2. Okay, so what we are getting here? R dot n is equals to 2. R dot n is equals to 2. Now, what is n vector? So I am taking the n vector once again. I am taking the n vector. So n vector is given in the question. So that is 3i minus 2j minus 2k. Okay, so 3i minus 2j minus 2k. I am finding the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of the vector is nothing but under root of I coefficient square and j coefficient square and k coefficient square. Okay, so that means 3 square 9, 2 square 4 and minus 2 square is plus 4 only. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 4 is 17, root 17, root 17. Now I am dividing by root 17 on both sides. Okay, so now dividing by root 17 on both sides, If we divide by root 17 on both the sides, so what we get here? R dot n divided by root 17. Okay, divided by root 17. Okay, so that means is equals to, we have, so then right side we have divided by root 17 and the left side also we have the root 17. Okay, so root 17 here and divided by root 17 and divided by root 17, as well as r divided by root 70. R divided by root 70. Okay, so just a minute. Here r dot n cap, that is unit vector. N cap means unit vector of n is equals to p. Okay, is equals to p. Okay, so in this p is a perpendicular distance of the plane. Okay, so from the origin. Okay, p is equals to perpendicular distance. Therefore, p is equals to perpendicular distance from origin. Perpendicular distance from origin. From origin is equals to, okay, so that is 2 by root 7. 2 by root 7. This is the final answer. Just note down. So here, question number 15. This is also very important question and compulsory here. So what is the given data? First write the given data here. So if the vectors A is equals to I minus j plus k, comma B is equals to I plus 2j minus 3k, C is equals to 3i plus pj plus 5k are coplanar, then find P. Then find P. So what are the given vectors? So first write the given vectors. Given A is equals to 2i minus j plus k, and B vector is I plus 2j minus 3k, and C vector is 3i plus pj plus 5k plus 5k. Okay, these three are the vectors here. So if they are coplanar, if A, B, C are coplanar, if A, B, C are coplanar, if A, comma B, comma C, okay, are coplanar, okay, so then box of ABC is equals to 0, is equals to 0. This is the formula here. Okay, so that means we have to take the coefficients. Take the coefficients: I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient, I coefficient, j coefficient, and k coefficient, I coefficient, j coefficient, and k coefficient. The determinant of that is equals to 0. Expand now. Now expand it. Okay, so now if we expand, how do we expand? So we expand along the first row or any row or column, any row or column. Okay, so now I am expanding along the first row. Okay, so here I am taking the first row. Okay, so take this elements 2 minus 1 and 1 we have. So I am closing this. Okay, how I am explaining? 2 into, close this row and column. Close this row and column, write the remaining elements, that is 2 minus 3 and p5. Okay, minus of minus 1 for x. For second element, take minus extra, take minus extra. Now whatever the element you are taking, close that first row and the first column also. Okay, then 1 minus 3, 1, 3, 5. 1 minus 3 and 3, 5. 3, 5. Okay, so after this, take the next element. Okay, take the next element and close that row and column. Close that row and column. Then 1, 2, 3p. 1, 2, 3p. Okay, this is equals to 0. That is equals to 0. Now this is equals to 2 into 5. Okay, how do we multiply? So cross multiplication. 2 into 5, 3 minus 3 into p. Okay, 1 into 5 minus 3 into 3. 1 into p, 2 into 3. Okay, so like that if we multiply, then what we get here? Okay, so 2 into 5 minus 3 into p. Minus 3 into p. Okay, minus of minus 1 is plus 1 into 1 into 5. 1 into 5 minus 3 into 3. Okay, so plus 1 into p minus 2 into 3. Okay, that is 6 is equals to 0. Now this implies 2 into 2 5s are 10 minus the minus plus 3p and plus 1 into 1 5s are 5 minus the minus plus 3 3s are 9 plus, okay, 1p minus 6 is equals to 0. 2 into 10 is 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6p plus 5 plus 9 plus p minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, add the p terms, 6p plus p, that is 7p, and add the remaining numbers. Okay, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 9, okay, that is 34, 34 minus 6, that is 28, plus 28 is equals to 0. That means 7p is equals to minus 28, p is equals to minus 28 by 7. 7 how many times? 7 how many times, ma? How many times?
4, sir. I mean, 4, sir.
4 times. Okay. Therefore, the value of p is equals to minus 4. If they are coplanar, okay, so the value of p is minus 4. This is compulsory question for 4 marks from the addition of vectors chapter. Addition of vector chapter. Whatever we discussed, okay, before this problem, that is also compulsory method, and this is also compulsory method. Coplanar is most important in this chapter. Understood? Okay, so just